Hi, this is the Food Whisperer, and welcome to my channel. And please, show your support by hitting the subscription button below. Do you ever have those days when it seems the whole world is against you? On such days, do you have a comfort food that you turn to for a bit of a boost? If so, please let me know what they are in the comment section below. As for me, instant cold spicy noodles is that comfort food, and I want to show you how you can make an easy but deeply satisfying dish using a popular instant noodle shown here on the screen called bibimbap, made by a company called Palto. I specifically prefer the one in the white wrapping, which is the 35-year anniversary version, spicier than the regular version. But the regular version, shown here as well, is also good to use if you can't get your hands on the special anniversary one. Of course, you can use any brand, although I do prefer using the ones from Palto. This is certainly a very basic instant noodle consisting of just the spicy sauce pack, other than the dehydrated noodles of course, but don't let this fool you. With the addition of a few ingredients, this can be made into a decadent spicy noodle dish that will surely impress with its bold flavors. As usual, please follow the instructions regarding the amount of water to use and the recommended cooking time. As the noodles cook in the water, we will now make the sauce. First, empty the spicy Korean sauce provided into a small bowl. To this, add a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of sesame oil. If you're not a huge fan of sesame oil, please use a teaspoon or perhaps even less. Mix well, incorporating the mayo and the oil into the spicy Korean sauce. The resulting color should be roughly what you see here on the screen. And please, feel free to experiment with the ratios, but this is how I like to make it. Put aside the sauce mixture as you turn your attention back to the noodles. Turn off the heat and drain the water. Transfer the noodles into a bowl of ice cold water and swirl the noodles in the cold water until they are cold and springy. Once you get your noodles to the desired temperature and texture, place it in a large bowl and add the sauce. Mix well so that the noodles are coated evenly with the sauce mix. To this, add some fish roe that you see here on the screen, and about a tablespoon or so will do. My recommendation is to use the one without the food coloring, but the red color version of course is okay too. Fold the eggs into the noodles so that each bite can provide you with an explosion of umami flavors. Simple but complex, these spicy noodles, so easy to make, will certainly cheer you up. And so, please give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is the Food Whisperer. Thank you for watching and wishing you good food and good company until we meet again.